In this video I'm gonna show you how to do the airport carousel, which is the airport where you get your bags after a flight. If you want the arena copy of this file, please click on the website listed in the box below. So I'm gonna run the program and show you how it works. So we have different color of bags. So we have the bags in the system and bags on the carousel, and the bag stays on the carousel all the time. It gets picked up. Usually it gets picked up from 3 points, here and there and this one here, and by this person, like for example, he picked up the bag. So now there is the bags in the system 14, and the bag on the carousel there is 13 on the carousel. If the bag does not pick up, it rotates, and it keep rotating, as you could see here, in the same order as it leaves here. So the system is very accurate. Like no bag will leave the system unless it gets picked up by the user, and it's based on a conveyor, but the conveyor it keeps circulating and circulating. Usually the conveyor it has a starting and ending point when you put stuff on the conveyor and you remove it, but in this case the bags, they keep circulating and circulating all the time, and they keep rotating around, and they never leave the carousel or the conveyor, as you could see here. Okay, so now it is like 0 bags in the system and 0 bags on the carousel, as you could see here, and the program has stopped running. Okay, I'm gonna go to the program and show you how it works. So we click on A for animation, as it is in the navigation bar, and we click on 1 for the first part. And so in this we created only 15 maximum of arrival. So in case we flip this to 45, let's see what's gonna happen. And in case we have here run setup replication parameters, we have 240 hours. So there are 2 ways to the system, unless all the unit, all the entity that assigned as a create as maximum creation are disposed, or the replication length will be terminated. So in this case it is this one, the 45 unit will be disposed, or 15 as it is before. So we assign different probability and different color to the bag. Okay, so here we assign different color to the bags and types. Okay, and so this is a conveyor as it is, so in a way that in order to keep circulating, so you see the different part of the system, or all of it as one part of the program. So if you click on, we go back to the system as it was, and I'm gonna run the system and show you how it works clearly. So I'm gonna repeat: all the bags entering the carousel dispatch from the plane keep circulating. They keep circulating all the time, and they never leave the system unless they get picked up. Okay, so here we have a person, he picked up the green bag and he left the system, while the remaining, so we have red, blue, blue, so they're gonna enter the system from here as red, blue, blue in a second. So we have the one entering the system plus the one already existing. Just remember we have 45-1 entering the system. So just remember, like, never leave the system unless they get dispatched. In a way, we have here bags on the carousel 13, while the bags in the system they are 16. Okay, they enter the system. Alright, the system it keeps circulating till we run out of bags. Now it's get really busy on the system, and they keep on rotating and circulating the system all the time. Whenever they don't leave the system, they don't leave the carousel, they goes back in as they circulate, plus the one entering the system. In this case we specified 45 entity as maximum number, as maximum creation of entity. Okay, so we have here in this example we have 18 on the carousel, or 17, and 19 or 20 on the system. This one is leaving the system or get picked up by someone. Whenever this one get to the exit or away from the carousel, it will be counted as it exited the system. Okay, so currently we have 13 on the carousel and 11 and 13 in the system, and this will keep on circulating till this value is equal to 0, till it reaches 0 and the value would stop. So this program is very efficient. We could use it a much more by specifying the time a backspace stays on the system. Okay, we could even select more as a way forward. We could specify the number of yellow bags, number of each type of bags existing in the system. Okay, just have a look. Now it's reaching the end. There are 3 in the system and the 3 in carousel, and 2 on the carousel. So it's yellow and white, and they come here as yellow and white, as we said at the end. At the first, it keeps circulating the system until it stops. Okay. So I'm gonna make the system faster and see how it goes. So we have only 1, so it will circulate the system till it stop, till it get picked up, and then the system will stop at 69.8 hours. And since the replication length is 240 hours, so the system will stop as specified. Okay, so I'm gonna go back, click on one, and we gonna make this one even more in the system, Okay, so we have here, I'm gonna add one variable to it by the number of entity has already left the system. So we have here number of bags already left the system. So this one would be 3 plus okay, I'm just gonna make sure. So we have 3, 4, 5. Okay, and bags, okay, exited the system. So we started with 60 bags. Let's see how it's gonna work. So we have already one exit to the system completely. Okay, so you see it here how many they left the system. So in total we should reach 60. So between 22 or 14, we add this number to this number, so we have 40, 42, 44. We're gonna reach number 60 till it's, so those are the total number of unit. So now it's like 60. So no more I'm gonna slow it down. No more entity will be created, because we've created all the entity. 25 will be created and 35 has been exited the system, a total of 60, which is the minimum creation. So if you look at this one, so we have the green, the white, the orange. So I'm gonna expect here the green and the white and the orange in a second. The same order, the green and the white and the orange, the same order they leaves here, they appear here. And now the blue and the white and the yellow and the another yellow and the orange. So the same order they left the system, they appear there. Right. So it keep on circulating till it finishes from the system. Keep on circulating till it finishes from the system. So we have how many bags they exit the system, how many bags they are in the system. Okay. So this total number of those two is always equal to 60. As we said, like 60 units are created in the system, and the system will keep on running till you dispose those 60 units. Okay. So please, if you have any question, if you want this arena copy, check the website below. If you have any question, to my email address or leave a comment under this. So this is the carousel. It needs like few seconds. So we have, I'm gonna make it a little bit faster. So we have 3 that exits the system, 2, and this is the last one, and the system will stop here. Okay, so back exited the system is equal to 60. Okay, as I said, if you have any question, please email